turkey. They're hiding their eggs from me these days. I have to search for them. Oh, I see 2 of them. Oh, found another one. Okay, here I come. Watch out, girls. Supper time. Go ahead, Miss Turkey. It's almost Thanksgiving. We're gonna make you a little pumpkin pie. Special treat for you. I'm gonna go ahead and shut you in. She always does this. She doesn't want to go in if you're standing too close to the door. You gotta give her her space. There you go. Oh, Miss Turkey, come on, go in there. We put that block right there because she had a little bit of a hard time getting up in there and she doesn't use the ramp. Come on, Miss Turkey. There you go. Oh, Miss Turkey, please. Are you serious right now? Okay. I'm gonna go in and she'll eventually go in and then we'll come back out and shut the door. I think I know why Manly's wanting to have story time in Sissy's room. Because she has it decorated for Christmas in here. I forgot to show y'all the candy cane that we got from Aldi. We did get this one. Sissy wanted to bring it into her room since she already had Christmas decorations going on, so she hung it right there. Just a special Thanksgiving. Man, they waited until the last minute to get their turkey. And that thing is not gonna be thawed out in time. He spilled the cranberries all over the store. The next day, we were up early. Everybody helped prepare the feast. I'm sorry, but I know that turkey is still frozen solid, Mama. I know it. Finally, the turkey was ready. Little sister and I helped serve the food. Look at that dressing. This was really a special Thanksgiving. We're getting breakfast started for in the morning. So I'm just cooking up the sausage. It's almost done. When it gets done, I'm going to remove the sausage from the pan and make the gravy because we're going to make a sausage gravy breakfast pizza. So I want the gravy to be separate because it's going to be like the sauce that goes on the pizza. That's all we're going to do for it tonight. Just make the sausage and the gravy. We'll let all that cool down and put it in the refrigerator. And then in the morning, we'll assemble the pizza and bake it. We're also going to make cinnamon roll oatmeal bake because it looks good and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to make, so we will make both and have the leftovers for lunch. I'm knocking 2 meals out in one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the sausage, I think, because it's going to bake in the oven for a little while in the morning too, so we don't want to get it overdone. Now, if you want to do this easier, they sell crumbled sausage already made at the grocery store. You could use that, and you could get a pack of gravy if you wanted to, and you wouldn't have to cook gravy, you know, just mix it with the water and all. Those packs aren't as good as homemade, but you could do it that way if you want to. It's definitely worth it to do it this way, though, if you have time, and it makes the house smell like a holiday. Anytime, I told y'all before, anytime you cook sausage or bacon at night, feels like a holiday. It makes people happy. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit of butter to mix with this, because as you can see, sausage does not produce a lot of drippings. Some different brands produce more than others, but most of them, not a whole lot. So most of the time I add just a little bit of butter. Just about a tablespoon. let that melt, and then we're going to add some flour and some pepper. I think that's going to be good. We don't have to have as much as I normally make since we're not going to be pouring this over biscuits. We're just going to be using it to put on top of the dough for the pizza. You get the milk. I'm slowly bringing out the Christmas cups. Manly actually got that one out this morning. Had it in the dishwasher. I do use that dishwasher for storage, y'all, but it doesn't work as far as, for washing dishes. I'm not gonna add any more milk yet because we want this to be on the thicker side since we're gonna use it as sauce, so it might be just about where we want it there. I think that it is, especially in the morning. After this sits for a little while, it's gonna really thicken up, so I think that's good. We'll go ahead and turn that off. I'll transfer it into something else. Let it cool down before we put it in the refrigerator. Now, we'll taste test the sausage. It's great. And we'll make the cinnamon roll oatmeal bake. We're starting with 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix all that. Now we're going to put in 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Okay, 2 cups milk. 1 egg. So that's it. We're going to pour it into the casserole dish. I rubbed it with a little bit of butter. In the morning, while it's in the oven, we'll make a icing, like a cinnamon roll icing, to go on top. I'm waiting on the oven to preheat, and we're going to put in the oatmeal. The pizza isn't going to take as long as oatmeal. It's going to take about 30 minutes. The gravy biscuit pizza is just going to take about 20 minutes. We're using one of these crescent dough sheets for it. Okay, oatmeal's going in. And I'm going to set a 10-minute timer, and then when that goes off, we'll put this in. I'm going to go ahead and spread on the gravy. I might mix just a little bit of milk with this if it's too thick. Yeah, we're going to need to mix a little milk with it. And I'll warm it up just a little too. I'm putting some mozzarella cheese. Now we just put the sausage on the top. And that's it. When the timer goes off, just about 3 more minutes, we'll put this in. That way they'll get done about the same time. both of them, y'all. Make both. They are wonderful. The oatmeal bake seriously tastes like a cinnamon roll. Make them both, you and your family. We'll have a great day.
I smell bacon.
You smell bacon? I think you smell sausage. Are you getting some milk?
Yeah.
Do you want some of the cinnamon roll oatmeal or sausage pizza?
Sausage pizza
Okay.
with some cheese.
With some cheese?
Mm-hmm.